With me, sometimes what I do is I'll write the punchlines first. And then I'll create a story to get me to the punchline. And I always wanted a joke where the punchline was that sound effect of a small animal bursting into flames. You know that? It's the only sound effect I know how to make. Because when I was a little boy, that was my sound for guns and bombs. You know, we used to play army in the backyard when I was growing up. Our fathers had all been in World War II, and so we would pretend we were our fathers, you know, storming through the forest of the Arnhem, and I almost passed out. Oh, God. Gee, I'm getting too old for this shit. You ever do that? You hold your breath and you push too hard, and things get sparkly. Don't get up, by the way. I'm fine.